Welcome to the Curious Corner. Here we explore how human psychology shapes attraction, power, and behavior. You will learn how small shifts in mindset change the way people respond to you. Today, we uncover why real attraction is not about looks or lines, it is about presence. Let's break it down. Most men think attraction is complicated. They look for tricks, lines, and shortcuts. The truth is simple. Attraction begins before you ever speak. Women notice energy before words. They respond to confidence, control, and presence. They feel power in your tone, posture, and decisions. The message your presence sends is clear. I could have you, but I do not need to. That energy is rare and it is magnetic. Now we look at the first skill, emotional control. A woman does not test you to be mean. She tests you to understand you. If she pulls away and you panic, you show fear. Fear kills attraction. When you stay calm, you send a clear signal. You're steady. You're centered. You're not shaken by emotions. This creates a psychological shift. Instead of testing you, she becomes curious about you. She wants to understand your strength. Your calmness builds trust and intrigue. When you stay composed during tension, you show that you control your world. You do not react. You respond. You do not break under pressure. You stand firm. That is why emotional control is the foundation of attraction. Second, sexual energy. Most men chase validation. They rush, they beg, and they show desperation. This drains their presence. The powerful man does the opposite. He does not chase. He directs. He holds back his energy. He understands that control is more attractive than desire. Waiting is power. Patience is dominance. The man who can wait always wins because he is not led by impulses. He is led by intention. When you manage your desire, you create tension. Tension is what builds attraction. You do not demand attention. You create curiosity. You do not chase pleasure, you shape it. This makes your presence feel more focused, more controlled, and more masculine. Third, speak with weight. Men often talk too much. They try to impress with words, explanations, or jokes. This weakens their impact. The strong man speaks simply and clearly. His words are not decoration. They are decisions. He does not rush to fill silence. He uses silence as presence. Silence forces attention. Silence invites curiosity. When you speak less, people listen more. Your voice should reflect certainty. Look her in the eye. Speak slowly. Say only what matters. When your words carry intention, your presence grows stronger. She listens, not because you talk, but because you lead. Fourth, discipline. Women do not fall in love with your words. They fall in love with your routine, your structure, and your consistency. When your life has order, it signals leadership. You manage your time, your health, and your goals. You show that your life is not controlled by impulse, but by purpose. This creates respect. Respect is where attraction begins. She does not imagine controlling you. She imagines trusting you. She imagines being led by you. That is why discipline is more attractive than charm. Discipline shows direction, and people are drawn to direction. Fifth, self-respect. Attraction cannot exist without respect. If you do not respect yourself, you will always chase. You will always try to prove your value. The powerful man never begs for desire. If he is not respected, he walks away. He values his energy. He protects his peace. This action speaks louder than any words. Silence becomes your strongest tool. Not anger, not arguing, just silence. When you are willing to walk away, you become the prize. That moment changes everything because power begins when chasing ends. So here's the core message. Stop trying to impress. Stop trying to be unforgettable. Start building presence. Control your emotions, manage your energy, speak with intention, live with structure, protect your self-respect. When you do that, you do not chase attraction. You become it. You can become the man who is chosen, not the man who waits to be approved. Your journey starts with self-control, self-leadership, and self-respect. The Curious Corner is here to guide you through it.